As cryptocurrency is becoming more mainstream, it opens opportunities for passive income. The idea of creating passive income with cryptocurrency is to make money 24/7 without you being actively involved in the process. Instead of taking unnecessary trading risks, spending time doing menial tasks, or letting your Bitcoin sit there and not earn anything, you can now put your coins to work for you as long as you want. Spend some time to set it up. Once they are in place, they will continue to generate ongoing incomes for you with little or no effort on your part. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit that like button if you find it informative and unique. Also, beware of the scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We will never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video, we'll talk about the top 5 crypto passive income strategies in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. There are a number of crypto accounts that pay interest, and the rates are often much higher than what you'll find with a traditional savings account. Unfortunately, those higher rates come with correspondingly high risks. A lot of platforms that offer interest-bearing crypto accounts do so by lending out your assets and giving you some of the interest that's paid on the loan. The level of risk depends on who the platform lends your money to and what collateral they require. A low-risk loan to a big financial institution presents a very different risk compared to an uncollateralized loan to someone that may not be able to pay it back. Lend-earn accounts usually pay higher rates on stablecoins, cryptos that are pegged to traditional assets like the US dollar, than ordinary cryptos. DeFi apps also offer other types of crypto lending. It's worth watching out for the fees on these apps. If you're using an Ethereum-based platform, you may find the gas fees of more than $50 per transaction wipe out the extra interest that you'll earn. The next biggest entry among the best crypto passive income generators would refer to yield farming. It's a decentralized method in DeFi for earning passive crypto income and has been fostered largely by the dynamic operations of decentralized exchanges. DEXs, or decentralized exchanges, have evolved as prolific trading platforms which rely on smart contracts and liquidity from investors. Users don't have to trade with brokers or other investors in decentralized exchanges. On the contrary, you can interact with smart contract-based liquidity pools or collections of funds deposited by investors, also referred to as liquidity providers. The liquidity providers receive a certain share of the trading fees incurred from the pool. You can try yield farming as one of the reliable crypto passive income generators in 2022 as a liquidity provider on different DeFi exchanges. The best practice to start generating passive income on crypto with yield farming is to look for credible decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. You can become a liquidity provider by depositing a specific ratio of 2 or more digital assets in liquidity pools on the exchanges. You will receive LP or liquidity provider tokens from the decentralized exchange as a representative of your share in the liquidity pool. Now you can stake the LP tokens on other decentralized platforms for additional interest. Therefore, yield farming provides a practical option for generating 2 separate streams of passive income from a single crypto deposit. Some companies offer a certain share of the revenue with the tokens they issue to investors. You can hold the tokens and receive your share in the revenue of the company according to the number of tokens that you have. Therefore, the dividend-bearing tokens can definitely call for a crypto passive income calculator, as they offer a flexible method for deriving passive income on crypto assets. Staking is my favorite way to earn interest on crypto because it carries less risk than other options and is relatively easy to do. If your crypto exchange offers staking, you can activate this option at the click of a button. You might need to commit to stake your coins for a set amount of time. If you can't stake coins with your crypto exchange, you might consider moving your assets to a wallet or a platform that does offer the option. Staking can pay rewards of up to 15% APY or more, depending on various factors, such as the platform and the crypto. For example, I'm earning around 10% APY on most of my stakeable assets. Some cryptocurrencies use a proof-of-stake system to keep the network secure. Proof-of-stake is a popular and a more sustainable model than the one Bitcoin uses, and you need a POS crypto for staking. Validators earn rewards for checking that new transactions are legitimate. In the proof-of-stake model, validators need to own a certain amount of the currency to participate. When you stake your coins, you're usually contributing to a validator node, and you earn a percentage of the rewards from that validator. The traditional method for earning passive income on crypto assets or crypto mining focused more on the consumption of resources. However, investors can look at the possibilities of using cloud mining as an alternative to crypto mining. The concept of cloud mining basically focuses on the delegation of crypto mining tasks to third parties. Investors have to pay a massive upfront cost for renting or purchasing crypto mining services and machinery. Therefore, investors have to pay for the maintenance of the mining hardware. On the other hand, you cannot ignore the risks associated with the best crypto passive income generators in cloud mining. For example, the risks of scams in cloud mining increase profoundly due to the remote location of mining facilities. Finally, be aware that DeFi tokens can devalue quickly. Let's say that you earn 100% APY that gets paid in the platform's utility token. If that platform is creating unlimited numbers of tokens to pay that high interest rate, the tokens you've earned may be losing value as fast as you can earn them. Generating passive income on your cryptocurrency assets can be a rewarding option, but as with many things in the cryptocurrency world, it is important to understand the risks before you jump in.